Do you have a landing page and you want to improve the results on the page? Or are you thinking of creating a landing page either to generate sales or to increase leads or to get people to register for your event and not make the mistakes that other internet marketers are making? Then you are in the right place, as I'm going to be sharing with you different tips that you can use to create a successful landing page. So if you don't know me, I'm Abdul-wasi and I share different tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to make money online and also to use to improve your online business. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video on how you can make money online. So without further ado, let's get started. I will be giving you 6 actionable tips. But before we get started, you need to know the reason why you need a landing page in the first place. You need a landing page when you want to convert your traffic and drive them to complete specific actions, such as making them your leads or making them buy things on your website, either your product or affiliate product, or make them attend your events. It might be a webinar or any kind of event whatsoever. So let's go to the tips. Tip number one, you need to know the audience. That is, you need to know the audience that you want to sell to. This is the step that most internet marketers usually miss. If you don't know your audience, you can't build a page that speaks directly to them. It's just like you shooting in the dark. So in order to create landing page that speaks directly to them, you need to use platforms such as Google or Google Trends or Answer the Public to understand your potential audience. When using those platforms to make research, you need to know who they are, their struggles, and how to solve their problems. You should also make your audience feel like you are talking exactly to them and meeting their needs so that they can convert for exactly what you want. Then we go to the second tip, which is using the right wordings. No matter the industry or niche or what action you are trying to convert, you need to use the right words. Example of that is using a powerful headline. A powerful headline is one of the most important pieces of copy on your landing page. Just like when you go to a newspaper vendor and you see different newspapers, but it's the headline on any of those newspapers that is going to draw your attention in the first place before you even go for the newspaper. So that is exactly how landing page 2 is. You need to write a very catchy headline. So when people see it, it's going to draw their attention and make them understand what your landing page is all about. Your headline should also be informative, relevant, and engaging. Also, the wordings on your landing page should not be complicated. Don't use heavy languages. Don't use languages that people will have to start carrying dictionary to understand what you are trying to talk about on your landing page. People are not even as patient as that. Once they see things that is giving them hard time to understand and trying to relate with, they will just bounce up from your landing page. You need to also use subheadings, bullet points, and make it very easy to read. Don't make your landing page just look like a textbook. You can use bullet points to outline whatever features and benefits of whatever product or services you provide on your landing page. Another tip to improve your landing page is to give irresistible offer. To make people take action on your landing page, you need to give value to what you are offering and it should also resonate with them. The best way to do that is to make your offer clear and easy to understand. That is, when they see your offer, they shouldn't have any question. It should also be valued based. You need to make people see how your product or service or whatever you have to offer is going to solve their problem. And it should also make them see the reason why they need whatever you are offering. Then your offer should also go straight to the point, and it should also be persuasive. That way, your web visitors will understand what you are trying to offer, and it will also increase your conversions. I have come across some landing pages that everything is all text. Then I begin to wonder how people actually resonate with what they are sharing. Because most of the time, people don't read everything on your landing page. So this is where we'll go to the fourth tip, where you need to support your landing page with visuals. You need to support your landing page with pictures, GIFs, colors, and so many other things that will make people understand whatever action you are trying to achieve on your landing page. Moreover, whenever you're using visuals, do not jam pack those visuals on your landing page. Don't let the pictures be too much, and don't overcomplicate things. Just make it very light and very easy for people to understand. Then we'll go to another very important tip. Your landing page needs to be responsive and loads very, very fast. What I mean by responsive is this: your landing page should be able to fit into different kinds of device. Not everybody will access your landing page with a desktop or a mobile phone or a tablet. You need to make sure your landing page fits to this kind of devices. So when people open your landing page on a desktop, it will be very easy for them to understand whatever you are trying to achieve on your landing page. Likewise, mobile and tablet. There are some applications that you can also use to achieve that, such as ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a standalone software where you can create landing pages that is going to fit into these three devices. It's very, very easy to use, and anybody can use ClickFunnels. You can go to ClickFunnels website by clicking the link in my description below, then sign up and see how easy it is to use to build a landing page. It's just a drag and drop feature. Then when it comes to the speed of your landing page, don't use heavy images of like 1 megabyte, 2 megabyte. Your image should not be more than 300 kilobytes. Even 300 kilobytes is a little bit much, but it's still better at 300 kilobytes. Don't let it go beyond that. Once it goes beyond that, it's going to slow down the speed of your landing page. Because whenever people opens your website, all those images will have to open on people's devices. And the higher the size of the image on your landing page, the higher the load time that is going to take to open on people's devices. If your landing page begins to take so long, a very long time to open, people won't even be patient enough to wait for it to finally open. They will just bounce up and continue doing what they are doing. Another tip to create a fast landing page is to make sure you're using a very good hosting platform. And the hosting platform I recommend after using different platforms is Hostinger. Hostinger is very fast in terms of loading, because I build websites for people and I know hosting platforms that are very, very slow. No matter how you optimize your landing page or your website, it's still going to be very slow. But since I started using Hostinger, I don't have problem with speed anymore. So if you want to get the hosting platform, the link to Hostinger's hosting platform too is also in the description below. Make sure you check it out. And if you want to learn how to create a landing page, I've done a video on how to create a landing page. Even if you don't have any experience with building a landing page, if you watch the video from the beginning to the end, you understand the process of how to build a landing page. So you can click somewhere around here, or you can click the link in the description below to watch the video. So let's go to the next tip, which is the most important part of the landing page, and that is the guess. I give you 5 seconds to guess. Type whatever you think it is in the comment section below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you've already typed the answer. The most important part of your landing page is the call to action. Naturally, people need direction, and you need to tell them what to do in your landing page in such a way that they are going to see the benefits and can't say no to whatever action you are trying to achieve on your landing page. Whenever you're using call to action on your website, do not use words like sign up now. The reason why you should not use words like sign up now is because the call to action does not explain the reason why they need to sign up. But if you write something like click here to double your sales today, automatically people knows that whenever they click that button, they are going to get something that is going to help them boost their sales. So just something like that. So you need to be creative and you need to know how to design your call to action in such a way that is going to make people understand what action you are trying to achieve on your landing page. Other things you can include on your landing page is testimonials, and you should also give a guarantee if you are selling a particular product or services, maybe like a 30 days return or maybe 30 days free trial or things like that. So these are the actionable tips that I'm sharing with you that you can use to improve your landing page. I hope you've learned something today, and if you have any question, you can use the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and also share to people. So thank you for watching and see you next